Hello everybody and welcome to my update test. Today we are going to be doing a model railway unboxing. You see the trucks, those boxes behind there, behind my back. Yeah, that is the new boxes of Dapol truck products. They are these Dapol Tiphook rail steel wagons. So there are three. I bought three of them from the Cheltenham model shop. So here are normal size steel coils. They are almost, if I put one towards the camera, you see that it almost looks like what you get on the bottom of your stove or your saucepan or cook hob. Yeah. There's two mediums, one small and one large. So it's almost like Bachmann Horn. It's almost like Bachmann Hornby packaging. As you can see, I just have to rip some of this tape off. This will take a bit of moment. Tape loves to fight against me. So here's the train. So here's the truck, something else in the box. And look at this. Inside there is a really nice pocket for all your truck needs. Now, one thing I want to check is if a little piece of broken track, which is one of my scrap loads, can fit in there. Yes, it can. Fits in there nicely. Just on that, it just shuts on that girder right here. So when you've loaded the train with your desired products, you then shut it and then put it on the track. So these will be very useful. Of course, this one is 007, which is 337008990048-9 Tiphook rail truck. So all the others will have the same thing in them. Big, small, two medium size, the truck itself, this one is that truck there, 337008990083-6. Same applies again with it. It's an opening truck. Thing that opens and closes, which, as I said before, it's very handy, and I'm so happy to have these steel trucks for this new thing. Of course, in real life, these trucks are black from all its wear and tear in the real world. I don't think it has a name for it. Well, for them, anyway. So, again, big, small, and 2 medium-sized steel coils. See, look at all this. So much steel coils. But I'll possibly be using them on my other trucks, so, as well as these. So on our last truck, which is the third one, which is this one's having a tough try to come out. So this one's 005 3370 8990 10-9. Again, take the fighting back. And there's the final truck. Yeah. Of course, again, nice fillable hole. So you may want to see this on the track, don't you? So they're going to go on the track empty. Very nice sound to them. You can either have them this way or the other way on the track. It doesn't matter which way you put them, they're still going to run very cool on the track. And I will put them in between other trucks as well for the scrap services. So the train size is the same size as diesel multiple units. So if I show you this way round. If I can get the camera angle correct. There's the train right here on my, there's the train right here on my truck. So, if you want to see a demonstration, so on the next video we'll be showing you a demonstration of these trucks. So thank you for watching my update test. I'll see you next time. Suckheads!